Let's start in child's pose with your knees wide and big toes touching. Release your hips back and down and stretch your arms in front. Begin to arrive as you slowly deepen your breath. Stay here in child's pose and take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Deep breath in and deep breath out. One more here. Inhale and exhale. Move to forearm plank. Shift forward and come onto your forearms as you step the feet back. Stay here. Breathe in. Lift the right leg up. Lower the leg. Inhale, forearm side plank. Right arm to sky. Left forearm firms into the mat as the hips push higher. Return to forearm plank. Breathe in, left leg lifts. Fire up the left glute and lift the back heel higher. Lower the leg down. Forearm side plank. Inhale, left arm to sky. Root the right forearm down and grow taller through the left fingertips. Lower the forearm back to the mat. Find down dog. Press into your palms, straighten the arms, and send the hips high. Inhale, right leg to sky. Bring knee to nose as you shift forward. Exhale. Back to three-legged dog. Inhale. Right foot forward. Exhale, low lunge. High lunge. Rise up, breathe in, and sweep the arms overhead. Warrior 2. Seal the back heel down. Exhale, arms open wide. Align the front knee directly over the front ankle and gaze beyond your right fingertips. Peaceful warrior. Inhale, right hand to sky. Extended side angle. Exhale. Keep the front knee bent, bring your right forearm to your right thigh, and stretch your left arm by your ear. Move the left shoulder back a bit to open the chest to the sky. Inhale, peaceful. Exhale, low lunge. Cartwheel the hands down. Inhale, step back to plank. Knees to the mat. Exhale, elbows hug in, lower halfway down, chaturanga. Upward facing dog. Inhale, begin to straighten the arms, push the chest forward as the knees lift off the mat. Down dog again. Tuck your toes, hips high. Left side now. Inhale, left leg to sky, three-legged dog. Keep the left hip aiming down. Shift forward, bring knee to nose, exhale. Inhale, leg up, three-legged dog. Low lunge, exhale, left foot forward. Inhale, high lunge, arms to the sky. Warrior 2, back heel spins down to the mat, exhale, arms open wide. Shift the front knee a bit to the left, open the hips and gaze left. Inhale, peaceful, left arm up and back. Extended side angle, exhale. Lower the left forearm to your left thigh and reach the right arm by your ear. Move the right shoulder back to find more opening in the chest. Breathe in, peaceful warrior. Exhale, low lunge. Windmill the hands back down. Inhale to plank. Keep the knees lifted this time. Exhale, lower halfway. Inhale, up dog. Roll the shoulders back and lift the chest. Knees lift off the mat. Tuck your toes. Exhale, downward facing dog. Bend your knees. Look forward. Inhale. Exhale, step or float to the top of your mat. Inhale and lift halfway. Exhale, forward fold. Urdhva Hastasana. Breathe in, arms to sky. Exhale, Tadasana. Bring hands to hips, shift weight to the right foot, then float the left leg straight up. Hips even here. Lower the left hip down if it's higher than the right. Hands stay on hips, lower the leg down. Shift weight to the left foot and float the right leg up. Keep the shoulders back and stand tall as you hold the leg up. Right leg lowers to Tadasana. Exhale. Padangustasana. Separate the feet, bend down, and grab the big toes with your peace fingers. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale and fold. Bend the knees here if you need to. Release the toes, bring the feet together. Inhale, halfway lift. Vinyasa from here. Palms plant on the mat, step back to plank. Exhale, Chaturanga. Elbows bend to 90 degrees. Inhale, upward facing dog. Open your chest. Down dog. Exhale. Inhale, right leg up and back, three-legged dog. Hips square, right toes point down. Exhale, twist the knee across to the left elbow. Inhale back to three-legged dog. Exhale, low lunge. Move to half Hanuman. Back knee down, then straighten the front leg. Then take a twist and sweep your right arm up. Hip square, long spine as you twist to the right and gaze high. Hands down, step back, move through your vinyasa. From down dog, left leg high, breathe in. Exhale, knee to right elbow, twist. Inhale, leg high, three-legged dog. Exhale, low lunge. Half Hanuman, lower your back knee down. Then sweep your left arm up. Keep the hips square as you twist to the left and lift your gaze. Hands down, step back, take a vinyasa. Now lower your knees and come to a seat on your mat. Lolasana. Ground your hands down on either side of your hips. Feel like you're pulling your belly up and in, and then leave your feet on the mat and just lift your hips up an inch or two. Release back down. Boat pose. Reach your arms forward, engage your belly, then lean back and float the feet off the mat. Twist left, take the arms left, exhale, right leg long and low. Inhale, come back to center. Twist right, arms right, exhale, left leg extends. Inhale, come center. Take a few more rounds on your own. Come back to center and hold. Keep the angle of the knees the same and lower the legs out and down and tap both feet to the mat. Now use the lower abs to raise the legs up. Again, reach the toes out and tap them down and lift the legs up. Take a few more rounds on your own. Hold and boat the next time the legs are up. And release. Come back to an easy seat. Seated star. Glue the soles of the feet together and then move the feet away from you as far as you can. Inhale here. Exhale, lead with the heart and fold forward. Maybe let the head soften toward the feet. Feel a stretch in the outer hips and low back. Slowly rise. Transition to lying on your back. Hamstring stretch. Extend your right leg towards the sky and extend your left leg long on the mat. Interlace your hands behind your right leg, then draw it toward you. Keep the left leg really heavy and maybe bend the right knee a bit if you need to. And release. Other side now. Extend your left leg towards the sky and reach your right leg long on the mat. Then pull the left leg in. Just like the other side, maybe bend the left knee in a bit if the hamstrings are tight. Release. Pull your knees up close to your chest. If there's any other pose like a happy baby or a twist that you'd like to take, go ahead and explore that now. And then when you're ready, move into Shavasana, arms and legs long. thank you for sharing your practice with us. Namaste.